This is the purpose of the new cookware set. Are you excited to unbox, Zaid? Ha? Oh, sige. Open. Open. You know how to open? Sige, try to open, be. How to open? What you need? You need scissors. Here. Be, Mama will help you. Mama will help you. Oh, there. Put it there. Zaid, we have another cookware set. Stainless steel. It's nice. Better than the other ones. Okay, let's open now. Okay, how many items are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5, and all of them have covers. It's good, no? The other ones only one cover, I think. Only one. Now it's all have tempered glass lid. So we need to open here. Here. Wait. Go there, Zaid. Go there. Wait. Kasi, ganun mo. Why are you jumping? Do not move the camera. Go there, face the camera. The camera is here. Why are you there? Slowly, lagi. You're so naughty. Wait. Wait. Oh my gosh. Oh, I did not comb my hair. Wait. Mama will open. Oh. Kasi, bili mo, Zaid. Wait. It's very hard. Wait. Remove your hands. It's dangerous. Other one. Hey, do not you. Mama lang. Why are you there? Look, you're showing your bobot in the camera. Huh? Look. Oh my gosh, so hard. Oh my gosh. Zaid, go there, Zaid. Go there. Show them your cookware set. Why are you showing your bobot there? Here. Oh, wait. Okay, 1. Slowly. It will break. Oh my gosh. Slowly, 2. Count. And this is the big one. Slowly. Oh, nice. Oh, it's heavy and thick. It's nice. Next, the smaller one. Oh, for frying. Other one. Oh, slowly. Oh my gosh. Slowly, Zaid. Slowly, the small cover. Next. Smaller cover also. Put it there. Slowly. This is the big one. The biggest one. Oh, here. Very big. Oh my gosh. Slowly, Zaid. Finished. Oh, get inside the box. Get inside the box na. Zaydo will get inside the box. Oh. His favorite part. Oh. Mama and Zaydo will hide? No, it's very small. It's only for Zaid. Why are you giving me this one? Huh? The features of this cookware set are stainless steel, induction base, 5-layered capsuled bottom, dishwasher safe, tempered glass lid, and 10 pieces set. Come here, we're still doing the unboxing, Zaid. Why are you there? Oh, it's not the one. Where's the what is this? The casserole of this cover. Where? Find it. That one? It's the right size? It's the right size? Oh, bravo, Zaid. Bravo. The other one. This one. Where is... No, it's too big for that cover. The smaller one. Oh, find the smaller one. Where's the smaller one? Oh, there's a big cover. Where's... Put this one there. Oh, very good. One more. One more. Where's the smallest cover? The smallest one. That one. Very good. All have covers now. Bravo, Zaid. Bravo. Oh, removing again? Why? Oh, it's cooking time. Oh, and then he will put the cover. And he will cook the other toy there. Oh, it's too big. Uh-oh, it's too big. Find the smaller one. Oh, that one is fine. And the other one also. The cover. Oh, very good. All done? I think this one not yet. Oh, here, not yet. Oh, it's too big. Oh, the big one is for the big one also. Cover. On the small car. The small, what is the truck? Go get it. Finish na? Huh? You're done? Oh. Wait for 30 minutes. Okay? Your toys will be done cooking after 30 minutes. Okay? Mama what? Ah, so you need to change the ambulance because too big for the casserole, for the pan. Like this. Can be covered. What? Why you? This is the purpose of the new cookware set for cooking the toys of Zaid.